Now we're multiplying by 100, and because we're multiplying whole numbers rather than decimals, there's a simple trick that we can use. 54 times 100 is 5,400. So that's just 54, what we started with, but with 2 zeros on the end. And that's because there's 2 zeros on the end of 100. So 606 times 100 is 60,600. That's just 606 with 2 zeros on the end. And 4,030 times 100 is 403,000. That's just 4,030 but with 2 zeros on the end because there's 2 zeros in 100. Now this trick is really simple, but you have to be careful because it only works with whole numbers. If we have decimal numbers, we need to use a different method to multiply by 100. But with whole numbers, if you're multiplying by 100, you can just write 2 zeros on the end of the number.